Okay, so now I am going to open my birthday present to myself. Let's see what it is. Well, it's a vacuum cleaner, and let's see. When I ordered this, I did not know what extras they were including with it. They said they were including extras, but I wasn't sure what, so looks like there's a new floor tool. Not an Electrolux, but still floor tool. There's the hose, nicely wrapped in plastic. This is stain remover and a new rag. And well, there you go. That is my Christmas present to myself. And the Electrolux Renaissance canister. Oh good, and it's got its complete set of attachments. Dusting brush. The infamous Electrolux upholstery nozzle, which turns into an upholstery nozzle. And it just clips back in like that. And a crow's tool. And oh, it looks like they installed a new filter. That's good. Non-genuine, but that's okay. Overall, it looks like it's in good shape. Haven't looked at the power nozzle yet. Let's see. Oh, they got a new bag, I think. I think that's a new bag, I'm not sure. Looks like it's been used a couple of times with the new bag, but that's okay. It's got a couple of scuffs, it looks like. Not too terrible. Now it's got some scuffs down here too. Wheel swivel. Wheel's got a little bit of wear on the tread. But overall, it looks like it's in decent shape. Let's see. Here's the blower. It's got a little bit of carbon brush dust that needs to be cleaned off. The Renaissance label, it's got some wear. Considering it's a 20-plus-year-old machine, it's not that bad. Oh good, it's got the Sidekick. Oh, but this is not the original one. This came with the Guardian models, but that's okay. It will still fit. Let's see what else is in here. What is that? Stain remover, that's always helpful. And, oh good. Head forward. Okay, let's look at the power nozzle. Okay, here is the power nozzle. It's got a little bit of wear, some scratches. What does the bottom look like? Yeah, brush's got, looks like it's in decent shape, but it's a little bit, it's got a little bit of dust. Not that bad. It's got it. Brush roll looks like it's in good shape too. That's